Hi, I'm Maria Servellon, and I am an Emerson College MFA alumna of 2018, and I am also an affiliate faculty member in the Visual and Media Arts Department. What sparked my interest in multimedia was grabbing a camera on my 15th birthday, mi quinceañera, and exploring. My dad gave me this camera. He was like, I don't know, come back when you found something interesting. And that's something that was very daunting, but I was very excited. And with time, I started making music videos with my friends in college classes and making experimental works. When I came to Emerson College, I was like, okay, I know what I want to do, but now I want to officially write it, direct it, produce it, get the casting, everything done. Also, see what else is out there when it comes to multimedia work. Being at Emerson was something that I really treasure because I was able to learn a lot in class, but mostly as well on the film sets with my peers and on their emerging media projects, and thinking about like what are the different ways you can tell stories and can influence culture. My favorite Emerson professors were able to help me think about how to approach directing in a way that is authentic and vulnerable, working with actors, and then also how to teach well in my classes and care about what I am talking about. Being able to not have to pick one form of media or the other. So if I wanted to do video art and glitch, if I wanted to do filmmaking, they can both exist in the world and you don't have to compromise your visions. And having that was really useful for me because even though I came in with clear direction, I left definitely in a sense of achievement and personal satisfaction that the world felt pretty open and interesting now that, Emerson days were over. What I love about teaching at Emerson, and I've taught the narrative classes and directing, ways of seeing, the feminist media production course, is that the students inspire me. I love to see excitement and passion, having a lot of fun conversations in class about interesting works that we've seen and experiences on sets, and being able to get together and get excited for the craft and want to learn more and more and more. I think that approaching teaching at Emerson and coming back 4 years ago was something that helped me in my own craft, where I thought about how do I help others? The way that I was helped, how can I bring that back and to be part of the Emerson community that, again, is always paying it forward. I've had different achievements, like from Mundo, Boston, and Mass MoCA, Mayor's Office, Boston Public Schools. They're awesome, and I'm very proud of them, and I worked really hard to get them, but they're not the only thing that I feel like makes me an artist, makes me who I am as a person. I think that it's the types of connections I've been able to make, the relatability and authenticity that I've been able to build over time, and passion for the craft. I would say it's never about how many awards and such that I can get. It's more so of, did I come in this space as authentically as I could? And I can say that, yeah, I have, and that's probably my most important achievement. So from the different things that I've worked on over a decade now, I think that I want to keep working in the next couple of years with even more musicians, performing artists, written word artists, and to think about outside of my city, like who else needs to hear this message of how the arts matter and appearing as authentically as possible through your work So I try not to have like concrete goals, because I'm definitely a believer that in the place at the right time, everything just kind of falls into place, and that's how it's always been for me. It's a lot of patience, but I think that it's worth it. Best advice for folks is work hard, work steady, rest hard, and also you'll see the little bud growing. Thank you again for letting me share my pearls of wisdom with you on and off the classroom. And I hope that you have an amazing semester. Take good care. Bye.